Good morning, dear students. As we are discussing lesson 8, cell structure and function. Before that, let me ask, how are you all? Fine? Okay. And I hope the chapter part which we have discussed earlier, you all have revised also. You all have just done reading also. Okay. Let us discuss some more basic which we have done earlier also. Means we are doing the cell chapter, and as we know it is the basic unit of life. Means cell क्या है? Structure and functional unit of life. Because of the cells only जो body में functions हैं we are able to perform. Okay, we have discussed in this about first living cells. We have discussed about non-living cells. We have discussed all these about, and you know about all these what we have discussed. Cells, when there is a group of cells, they form tissues. When tissues form a group, they form organ. Organ means it is a set of organs which perform their specific function in our body. Okay, जो भी हमारी बॉडी में कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम है, कॉम्प्लेक्स फंक्शंस है, like respiration is there, reproduction is there, excretion is there. For these functions, set of organs are there, and organ will lead to then organ system, and organ system will form a complete organism. We have discussed the variation in cells on the basis of their shape, on the basis of their size. We have discussed these and on the basis of their number. Okay, there are of many shape, like rod shape was there, disc shape was there, or irregular shape was there. What was the example of irregular shape? Amoeba. We have discussed on the basis of size also. Means they are 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. Okay, and what is the example of this? Bacteria. Bacteria is the example of this. Okay, and we have seen there is the large in size. Example, you can say human being cells. Examples are the human being cells, and egg of an ostrich. Egg of an ostrich is also an example of the large cells. Okay, we have discussed the cells based on the number also. We have discussed that on the basis of the number also. Number, on the basis of number, there are two types: unicellular and multicellular. Okay, what is unicellular? Means single celled. What is the example of single cell? Example is amoeba. And multicellular means they are having many cells. Example क्या है? Human beings. Example क्या है? Human beings. Okay. Next, we have discussed the components of cells. Components of cells. Three main components are there. Which are these three? Nucleus. Second one is cytoplasm. And the third one is cell membrane. These are the three main components of the cell. Okay. Although we have discussed little bit about these, let us now discuss some more about these. Okay. First is nucleus. जो भी cells में functions होंगे, जो भी cell काम करेगी, that will be done with the help of nucleus. Because nucleus को हम cell का क्या बोलते हैं? It is called as brain of the cells. Okay, brain of the cells. सेल में और भी कंपोनेंट्स हैं, लाइक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज देयर। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को हम क्या बोलते हैं? वी कॉल इट पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज नोन एज पावर हाउस ऑफ द cell. Okay, and if we will say about the chloroplast, chloroplast, it is known as kitchen of the cell. It is known as kitchen of the cell. If we talk about the leaves, leaves, these are known as food factory of the cell. These are known as food factory of the cells. Clear? ये कुछ टर्म्स हैं जिनके स्पेसिफिक नेम है कि इस चीज को हम ये बोलते हैं। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल, बिकॉज जो भी सेल को पावर मिलेगी किससे मिलेगी? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया से। ओके, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया सेल में एनर्जी रिलीज करेगा, जो भी उसके फंक्शन है, जो भी एक्टिविटीज हैं उनको करने के लिए। लाइक वी आर टेकिंग फूड, वी टेक फूड डेली। वाई? बिकॉज फूड हमारी बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो भी हमें एनर्जी मिलेगी दैट इज गिवन अस बाय द फूड, और वही एनर्जी सेल को किससे मिलेगी? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया से, क्योंकि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया सेल क्या है? पावर हाउस। क्लोरोप्लास्ट, किचन ऑफ द सेल। ओके, लीव्स अपना खाना कैसे बनाती हैं? वी कॉल द लीव्स फूड फैक्ट्री, बिकॉज लीव्स कैसी हैं? ग्रीन इन कलर। Leaves are green in color, क्योंकि उनमें क्या है? Because they are having chlorophyll. They are having chlorophyll. और chlorophyll कहाँ से मिलता है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट से। ओके, क्लोरोफिल किस में होता है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट में। क्लोरोप्लास्ट क्या है? प्लास्टिड है, प्लास्टिड की टाइप है। और प्लास्टिड किस में प्रेजेंट होते हैं? ओनली इन प्लांट सेल्स। प्लास्टिड किस में होते हैं? प्लांट सेल में। बिकॉज जो प्रोसेस है photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis is being shown only by the plants. Clear? जो photosynthetic का process है, photosynthesis, it is formed by the combination of two words. Photo means light, synthesis means to form. Okay, photo means light, as I write the word photosynthesis. It is formed by a combination of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to synthesize, we can say to manufacture, means light की presence में food की formation करना, light की presence में food की formation करना. Okay, that is photosynthesis. And as we are discussing about nucleus here, let us come back to the nucleus. We will discuss about these also later on. Okay, brain of the cell. nucleus में क्या है? डबल लेयर कवरिंग होती है, डबल लेयर कवरिंग. What we call that? nuclear membrane. nuclear membrane. Okay, nuclear membrane. Why this membrane is required? Because as I said, we discuss about plasma membrane, cell membrane also. जो भी सेल में materials in and out of the cells, जो भी सेल के अंदर मटेरियल आएगा या सेल के अंदर जो भी मटेरियल जाएगा, that will be decided by the membrane, कि सेल के लिए कौन सा बेनिफिशियल है, कौन सा हार्मफुल है. जो बेनिफिशियल है वो अंदर आएंगे, जो हार्मफुल है वो सेल से बाहर जाएंगे. क्लियर? न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इज देयर. देन इसमें एक फ्लूइड होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. क्लियर? इन न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म व्हाट इज देयर? थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स. न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म में थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स प्रेजेंट हैं. थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स आर प्रेजेंट. These thread-like structures are called as chromosomes. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? chromosomes. These terms which we are doing now, or although you have done in your 7th class also, done na, but at that time only there were definitions. बट नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग मोर अबाउट दिस। और क्रोमोसोम्स पे क्या होते हैं? जीन्स। क्रोमोसोम्स पे क्या है? जीन्स। और जीन्स का फंक्शन क्या है? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ जीन्स? जीन्स आर द functional segments of DNA. Genes are the functional segments of DNA. Means genes carries hereditary information for transfer of characters from parents to offsprings. ओके, जो भी पेरेंट्स से उनके किड्स में उनके कैरेक्टर्स आए, उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन है? जीन्स। जीन्स क्या है? फंक्शनल सेगमेंट्स ऑफ डीएनए। डीएनए क्या है? इट इज जेनेटिक मटेरियल। डीएनए क्या है? जेनेटिक मटेरियल। ओके, एंड इट कैरीज हेरिटेज इंफॉर्मेशन। मीन जो भी हमारे अंदर कैरेक्टर है हमें कहाँ से मिले? हमारे पेरेंट्स से। ओके, तो वो क्या होते हैं? जीन्स। वी कॉल दैम जीन्स। अब जिनके अंदर न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट है, जिनके अंदर क्या है? न्यूक्लियस वेल डिफाइंड है, जिसको हम अच्छे से देख सकें, वेयर वी कैन सी द न्यूक्लियस properly, those cells are known as eukaryotes. Okay, nucleus is well defined. Clear? In which cells nucleus is not well defined? Known as prokaryotes. Okay, ये सेल्स हैं प्रीमिटिव, जो कि पुरानी है, पहले से थी, प्रीमिटिव सेल्स। तो इनमें क्या है? न्यूक्लियस इज नॉट वेल डिफाइंड। न्यूक्लियस इज नॉट वेल डिफाइंड। न्यूक्लियस इसमें डिफाइंड नहीं है। क्लियर? इफ यू विल टॉक अबाउट मोर दिस डिफरेंस, देयर इज क्वेश्चन आल्सो इन योर बुक्स। ये क्वेश्चन है आपकी बुक में। एंड आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन वन मोर क्वेश्चन टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ ह्यूमन नर्व सेल। This question also given by me. I think you all have drawn in your fair notebooks. Drawn na? I will ask when I will check your work na. I will ask. I will see this question that it is done by or not. Okay. So if you will discuss about their difference, अगर इसमें nucleus well defined है, it means other things are also there. Clear? इसमें chromosomes होंगे many. Many chromosomes are there. Many chromosomes are present. In this only single chromosome is present. Single chromosome is present. These will be large in size. इसका एग्जाम्पल हम ले तो क्या होगा? प्लांट सेल्स। Plant cells, and of this example is bacteria. Clear? तो plant cells में क्या है? Vacuole. Vacuole में क्या होता है? That is large in size. Okay, large size है। और bacteria, these are small in size. It is small in size. So we can say eukaryotes having large size, prokaryotes having small size. Okay, this is their size. So let us discuss once more. Nucleus well defined. Prokaryotes, nucleus is not well defined. Many chromosomes are present in eukaryotes. Single chromosome is present in prokaryotes. Example क्या होगा? Plant cells हैं, animal cells हैं, bacteria. और here is vacuole, large in size, small in size. Then more points are there. if you will discuss more points about eukaryotes and prokaryotes, in this cell organelles are present. Cell organelles are present. Don't worry, I will give this question to you all in written form. In assignment form, I will give this question in difference. Then you can write in your field notes. Okay. Here cell organelles are present. Here cell organelles are not present. Are not present. Clear? Next, if we will say in this plant cells are there, chloroplast is present here. Chloroplast is present. Here chloroplast is not present. Chloroplast is not present. Okay. So this is the difference of the eukaryotes and prokaryotes, which I will give in the difference form to you all. And components of cell, the second part was there. Second part क्या था? ये तो first part है. Second was cytoplasm. It is the fluid-like substance. Fluid-like substance in the cell. In the cell. The points means cell organelles which we were discussing in the nucleus. These were present in the eukaryotes. It means जो cell organelles हम बात कर रहे थे किसमें present है? eukaryotes में. तो वो cell organelles are embedded here. Cell organelles are embedded here. What? Cell organelles. Cell organelles है क्या? Means जो भी सेल में फंक्शन होंगे उन फंक्शंस को अच्छे से करने के लिए जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं वो किस में होंगे? साइटोप्लाज्म. लाइक प्लास्टिड, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, lysosomes, Golgi bodies. These everything will be lie in the cytoplasm. अगर ये नहीं है तो they are called as prokaryotes. If these are present, these are known as eukaryotes. अगर सेल की फंक्शनिंग अच्छे से नहीं होगी then what will happen? Means nothing will be there. और सेल की फंक्शनिंग करने के लिए क्या होने चाहिए? सेल organelles. Okay. Third one was there the cell membrane or you can say plasma membrane. As I discussed earlier also, मैं बता चुकी हूँ पहले कि इनका फंक्शन क्या है membranes का? Means entry and exit. Entry or exit. Okay. It will allow the substances. Okay. Means allow the substances entry or exit. कि जो substance entry करेंगे या जो substance exit होंगे वो कौन allow करेगा? Membrane. Okay. So up to here we have discussed these three components: eukaryotes, prokaryotes, difference. Okay. Read up to here once. See the video properly. If any doubt is there, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you everyone.